how do you create this content? Like, I just want to know just upa say the process, how it goes, converting a subject into a mind map.
So basically the entire process revolves around somebody called as a subject matter expert, who is basically a BDS, MDS followed by at least a few years of teaching experience. It can range from 5 years to 25 years. So like recently, all the subject matter experts that have joined us are really experienced because they really like the purpose of what we're doing.
Nice.
So they could be HODs of colleges, professors of colleges, and they know what a student needs. So we first convey what we are imagining in the form of a mind map or visuals or whatever it is, comic strips, depending on the subject. Then we explain that to the subject matter expert. They give us the content. Then we have our team of creative people, which involves illustrators, designers, content creators. Again, all of these people are BDS graduates who we have upskilled to learn all of these things. So they've been here for a very long time, more than a year now, who have constantly done it so many times with us that now they are pro at it. They are probably even better than graphic designers that we can hire from outside.
Awesome.
So that's how we've upskilled everybody. And now, after the content is there, we design it in the form of a book. We give illustrations. So we explain the illustrator what we are imagining, like the subject matter expert. He has a certain imagination of how he wants that diagram to be, or a reference image from an existing book. So we recreate the entire thing in our way. Then we add like a little comical strip or something that can make it fun, whether it's a mnemonic or anything. And then we try to fit it in the form of a book. Trust me, that's the hardest thing, to put it in the form of an A4 sheet. It's really hard.
Oh, nice, nice. So I would say that means that 90% of your team is dentist.
Yeah, 90% will be dentists. Yes, we will have a few finance guys, business people who are from the other segment, but it's a core dental team, which we are very proud.
Wow, that's awesome. And how many employees do you have?
So as we speak today, we have about 52 employees. But yeah, it's growing at this rate mainly because we have a goal to complete dentistry soon. So we are really pushing ourselves to ensure that we meet what we want to do. But yeah, when I started, it was a small lean team of 8 to 10 of us.
That's a good growth from 10 to 52.